Oh, these cheap Amazon brakes. Yogi Clan, I'm here to tell you, I wish I had more time. Maybe I need to take some more back roads so you can hear these brakes. So I got these brakes. If you remember a video I put out not too long ago, got these brakes from Amazon. They were like 4 sets for 50 bucks. I thought, you know what? Let's try them. Reviews look half decent. Let's put them on the bike and see how they do. So we did. Test them out, see how they work. And let me tell you, they're miserable. Why? Because, man, they just make so much brake noise. When they get dusty, that's my opinion what the problem is. They kick off a lot of brake dust. And when that brake dust gets in that caliper and in between the pad and the rotor, they make squeaky noises. And I'm not talking like a mouse, like squeak, squeak, squeak. I'm talking like they just make noise. So I rode through the rain 2 weekends ago after we did that cleanup of that school. And after I rode home in the rain and washed basically my calipers out in a monsoon, they stopped squeaking for about a week. And then just from riding again in normal riding in dry weather, the brake dust came back and now they're squeaking again. So my review on those cheap pads, hey, if you need a cheap set to get you by because you don't have a whole lot of money, sure, they work. I will say they work. But you're going to be really soft on the brake pedal when you approach a traffic light because they squeak. So my review on those pads are, they suck. Sorry, I will put the name of the pad up above so you know to stay away, but I'm going to have to leave an Amazon review. They just, you know, when I buy the pair of pads that are like $35 a pair, I don't really have any problems with them. Never have. But I figured, hey, I'd try, you know, I need to replace all 3 sets on this bike. Let's buy this 4-pack for 50 bucks and see how they work. It'll be the last time I buy that 4-pack for 50 bucks. Maybe I can get some, come on, light, turn red so I can get some squeak noise. I'm on a back road. I'm not gonna hit a traffic light. Well, hey, here's one. Let's see if we can make this squeak. I really need to put the camera low. All right, we're red. You ready? Listen for it. Didn't do it. Of course, when I wanted to do it, it doesn't do it. Isn't that how life works? When you want something to happen, it doesn't do it. Makes you look like a liar. So I have not pulled the brakes off of the bike and the caliper off the bike to inspect how much dust. Because if you remember, we cleaned all these calipers. We cleaned them all out with some brake clean. Cleaned them all up. Put the brakes in, put them back on. I'd be curious to pull those calipers off. All right, here we go. Stop. Oh, didn't do it. So I just left a meeting at our church. It was a men's prayer group. Those jokers, those brakes squeaked the whole way to the church. Now that I'm leaving and going to work, nothing. And making a video. That's a key difference, is making the video. They got like stage fright or something. All right, coming up to a red light. Let's try this again. Son of a gun, didn't do it. We'll continue this ride and see if we can make it happen, but obviously filming, it doesn't want to cooperate. But if I were to review these on Amazon, which I will probably do maybe today while I'm at work, I would give them 1 out of 5 stars. I will give them 1, maybe 2. 2 because they actually do stop. They do stop you. They do work. But they are dusty as all get out. And they squeak. And it's embarrassing, you know, especially when I'm riding in a pack and I'm pulling up to a light and it's squirrr. It's almost like a grinding noise. More like a grinding noise than it is a squeak noise, but it's not grinding. It's just all the dust. Probably the dust wedged in between the grooves of the pads. I don't know. So 1 star. So my advice to you, Yogi Clan, is do not buy these brakes unless you can't afford to get anything else. Then sure, run with them. But if you can afford something better, get something better. I'll probably be taking these pads off here directly, and then maybe we'll do a review of a different pad. I just wanted to follow up with you and let you know. And it's only been like, what, a little over a month that I've had these on here. So there you go, Yogi Clan. I guess it's not going to cooperate with me today. I'm sorry. I tried. But just know, these brake pads suck. That's all I got to say about that. Is they will be coming off this bike sooner rather than later. So I encourage you, do not buy those brake pads. Alright, y'all, that's all I really had. I hope you have an awesome day. Love you guys. Thank you for joining in this update video, and I will catch you on the next one. Alright, y'all. Peace. Hear that squeaking?